And so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it, okay? So this is what we do. All right, so we got our little dish here. This is a little baking dish that we're gonna use to bake our macaroni and cheese in. And we'll start with that because we wanna go ahead and get it in the oven so we can do the steak and everything else. So we're just gonna go in with probably about a third, to fill this up a third a ways with some 2% milk.
Okay.
All right. And then just to make it really creamy, I like creamy mac and cheese. I don't know about you. I'm going to go ahead and do some heavy whipping cream.
Heavy whipping cream is the key to everything. I kid you not, guys.
Yes, it is. It really makes things taste well. It's almost like tomato paste when you're doing some type of Italian dish. Those things make things taste so much better.
Oh my.
All right, and so now we're just going to season this milk. All right, so I got a little bit of salt. I know.
He already knows.
I already know. And it is a little bit, y'all. And you got to be careful. It's a little bit darker in here than it usually is on our set, but it's Valentine's Day, so we got to set the mood a little bit. You know, we are two good-looking people, so we try to keep it a little sexy.
Right, it makes one of us, right? No.
Well, I mean, I can't compete, so I'm just gonna have to just take an L on that one.
It's fine. He's very attractive, you guys. Stay out his DMs.
Yeah. We ain't gonna go there. But anyway, we do black pepper because that's gonna bring out all the flavors in the whole dish. Right?
Yes.
And you can feel free to go heavy with that. Don't go crazy, but you can feel free to go heavy with it. We got a little bit of ground mustard.
Ooh.
Not gonna go crazy with that either, but just a little bit. And also some garlic powder.
Okay.
And some onion powder. She always picks on how many seasons I have because she only needs three ingredients.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so much stuff up here, but everything always tastes amazing, and I'm super hungry after a long day at work, so I'm so excited.
We're starving. We've been up here setting up for y'all the whole day, so we're starving. And I'm gonna go with some regular mustard as well. Not a whole lot of this now, just a little bit.
Ooh.
Okay. And so I need something to mix with.
You wanna use my spoon? Or do you need a bigger spoon?
Can I use your whisk?
Ooh, the whisk.
Just a little mini whisk, you know what I'm saying?
It's just for little hands. Go ahead, whisk.
So we're gonna whisk this up a little bit. Just to make sure all the flavors marry together.
It smells good from here.
All right, and then we're gonna add 2 eggs.
Okay.
1.
Okay.
And 2.
You know you're professional because normally I'm like, I hate cracking eggs on set because you just never know, but he always does it so perfectly.
All right, let's get those out of the camera and gonna whisk that together. And what the egg is gonna do, the egg is gonna hold the macaroni and cheese together.
Yeah.
A pot this size or a pan this size, you really only have to use 1 egg, but I really like my macaroni to be tight. So that's why I'm using 2.
Okay.
I like my women tight too, since it is Valentine's
Anyway,
Day.
whisk the macaroni and cheese.
She always try to curb me. You see what I'm talking about?
Curb sensor.
Why you be doing me like that?
They both start with C.
Yeah, that's true.
Wow.
Soda's crazy. And cut up.
Yes.
Yeah. So now that we got that all mixed in together, you see it looks almost like a custard, like an ice cream custard. That's what you want it to look like. That's how you know that you have the right consistency. All right. And what I did earlier was I boiled some noodles, and after they were finished boiling, I took some cream cheese and I mixed the cream cheese in with the noodles with some little bit of like a little dollop of sour cream and also a little dollop of butter. Okay. So we already have that ready to go.
You have to use that cream cheese, you guys. I always put that in my noodles. And of course, your noodles, boil them with salt, okay? You cannot just have bland noodles. Ooh, my goodness.
Drop that right
You guys,
in there.
this looks so good. Get some close shots of this. Yum. Let me get this out of your way since dessert comes last.
Right. You know, let some people tell the dessert come first.
Well, I'm always the treat, so of course.
See? And I'm the one that's crazy.
Queen.
All right, so we got our oven preheating at 350. And now, guys, I got like 10 different types of cheeses in here. right?
All the cheese.
Vermont cheddar, sharp New York cheddar. I got Swiss. I got provolone, Asiago, mozzarella, Parmesan, sharp cheddar. Yeah, it's all in there. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm all about the cheese. You feel me?
You guys.
And so we're just gonna add this.
Oh my gosh.
And we're gonna mix all of this together as well.
Okay. Oh wow, it looks so delicious. And usually with my macaroni and cheese, I'm a layering type person. So I put the noodles, put the cheese, and then I pour my base in there, which is the same thing, the heavy whipping cream. I use a lot of seasonings with it though. So I use like the Old Bay seasoning and the seasoned salt. That's how I make my base, and I whip it of course with my 2 eggs and my pepper and my salt, and then I layer it. But this makes your macaroni and cheese a lot more creamy. When you're breaking it apart, it's tight, but it's still creamy.
Woo-hoo.
You guys,
I'm gonna leave that alone.
it is definitely compact.
Gonna leave that alone.
It's compact, you guys.
I'm gonna definitely
Where's
leave,
the
I'm
macaroni
gonna leave
and
that
cheese?
alone.
In fact, I'm
Go ahead.
gonna do
do
it.
that. Hop in there for
yes,
me.
I'm gonna just take this over so that we can keep this PG, okay?
Yeah.
All right, can you put
tight
some more
and creamy,
cheese?
and
Can you put some more cheese?
It is Valentine's Day.
Can you put some more cheese on this?
Yes, ma'am. You want some more cheese?
I think you need a little bit more cheese.
Women always want more cheese.
Yeah,
they want the man with more cheese.
Because he
Get
should
out
be
there and
paying
make
for
some money,
everything.
fellas. Yeah.
You need to pay for everything. What's the point of me being
We
with you?
need to pay for everything.
What's the point of me
It's
being with you if I
2021.
have to pay for everything? I'm a roommate.
I didn't say pay for everything, but you can pay sometime. See, that's one of my biggest things about women, right? If you never want to buy me nothing, then we ain't gonna make it, because that means you don't care about me.
I'm gonna buy you stuff.
Right, that's what I'm saying. But if a girl never willing to come out of her pocket for you, that means she don't really rock with you like that.
What if she doesn't have pockets?
Well, that's different.
Okay.
Yeah, that's different. But, you know, at the end of the day, even then, she'll still, you know, get you something. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean, you know what I'm saying? She gonna get you something. All right, so now to finish this off, and I know y'all saying, where's the lobster? I want the lobster. It's coming, just trust me, okay? All right, so I got some New York sharp cheddar slices here.
Ooh,
So it's more cheese.
I have never seen this, you guys. I'm low-key excited.
Guys, we cooking on this show, okay?
Ooh, I'm excited.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this right on top.
What?
Yeah.
You guys, he shouldn't even be showing you this type of magic.
And I shouldn't, because listen, these are some of like my best sellers that I be giving y'all on this show. And so it's like, I'd be like nervous, like if I give these people the recipe, are they gonna keep ordering food from me?
Of course they are.
But I mean, at the end of the day, you know, look at that. And then we're gonna go with some more cheese.
I tell you, you can't go to work tomorrow.
Yes, you
It's
can.
gonna be bubbling.
No, it won't. No, it won't. Trust me.
Oh, it looks so good already.
I mean, it's macaroni and cheese, right?
And I'm not even wearing my glasses, you guys, and I don't have my contacts in, and I can see this, so I know it's gonna be good.
That's all she can see.
It's
She over here like Stevie Wonder.
I really am, guys. You know I can't.
There's a ribbon in the sky. All right, and if you make a little mess, that's okay. You know, it's a good thing for Valentine's Day. Hopefully you don't clean it up yourself. You can hire a private chef like myself and we can come cook for you. All right, now, we'll stick this in the oven
Okay.
at 350 for about
Perfect.
30 to 35 minutes.
Perfect.
All right, so we're gonna head to the steak and the lobster next. We'll be right back with more eating. All right, so listen, we got our macaroni and cheese. Look at this. Good God Almighty. Yeah.
Damn.
And I got some Langostino Lobster right here.
Oh, wow.
We're just gonna top it with that top.
They calling me. They calling me right now.
They calling me to come back to the streets, AKA a sharp 3.
This looks so
Just
good.
kind of press it in.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Come on, Skip.
Oh, my goodness. You guys, I'm so hungry. Like, I'm salivating. Like, this looks amazing.
All right, and we're gonna put this back in the oven for about 5 minutes just to let the lobster heat through.
Ooh. We'll be right back.
we got a lobster tail here, right? So we got this lobster tail. We got some butter melting in that pan that we used for our steak and our shrimp. All right, and we're gonna just throw that on his back, right? And the reason that we're throwing it on his back is because we're gonna add a little bit of stuff to it. So we're gonna go in with some garlic. So you're basically making just like a little garlic butter sauce to go with this. We're gonna go black pepper. And I cut the lobster down the middle so that all of this seasoning and juices can seep into the sides of it. We're gonna deglaze our pan with a little bit of lemon juice. All right, and it doesn't take long at all for lobster to cook. So we're just gonna kind of mix this together. And you see that all of those brown bits are coming up and making like a little sauce. I'm just gonna pour that on top. You don't want your butter to burn, so you just keep going in with a little bit more butter. A little bit more lemon. Italian seasoning. Black pepper. Butter and lobster go really, really good together. All right, and I know y'all saw that the lobster was brown going previously. Once it starts to turn that red color, you know that it's about done. I'm just gonna turn it up on its side a little bit to get that other side done. We got our lobster mac and cheese too. I'm gonna get a little bit of that out.
Okay.
Hopefully it's set. And see what happens is that Langostino lobster that we put on, oh my God, it's so creamy.
Y'all,
Ooh.
I am too excited right now, you guys.
And you see that steam coming off.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? If you sniff it, you might get high.
Ooh, it smells good too. I can smell that. Yeah, put some lobster.
We know you ain't got COVID. All right.
Give me. Oh, try it with the spoon. Okay.
Yeah, we got the forks here for this.
Okay.
I want to try one of these shrimp with this grits. I mean, this is so many dishes in one. It's crazy because you got shrimp and grits, you got steak, you got lobster mac and cheese. It's all kinds of surf and turf.
It's good. How many cheeses you put in here?
Like 10.
Two
good, y'all.
amazing.
Woo,
mini.
Father God. Oh my God, that shrimp.
You guys, I'm so jealous over
I can't
here.
get the cheese off my lip. It's so good.
Oh.
Macaroni and cheese. Lobster mac and cheese. Can't forget the lobster.